I'll do an update on that circle bed back here in the PawPaw Patch. If you watch my videos, you'll recognize it through this hardware cloth that's about 2 foot off the ground. And inside I planted radishes, climbing peas, and skirret. I only harvested a couple of radishes, and there's some in there now that I could probably harvest, but I'm just going to let them go to seed. And they'll become fertilizer for the other plants, so not that big a deal. Looks like they're also becoming a trap crop. I see slugs on them. I'd rather have the slugs on those radishes than on the skirret and the peas. The radishes were serving as a quick 30-day crop, and I did get those. The rest are going to be left again. And now I had to add this little wire fencing around the top because the climbing peas are growing. You can see right here we got some nice climbing peas. Here's some really dandies right here. They're as tall as I am right now. And they're growing around the perimeter of the cage. We got one here that's slow. Looks like there's one that was here that didn't come up. There's an empty space. But everything else is growing pretty good. I'll kind of highlight the perimeter here. Here we got some right in front of us. We got one a little slower here. These are over the top of the wire. All of these, look at right here. You can see the blossoms, pea blossoms right there. And since they're blossoming, that's telling me they're not going to grow too much taller. And their little fingers are grabbing this wire cage right here, and that should hold them up. And then that is going to be the crop for midsummer. We're looking at the first week of July right now. I'm going to believe we're going to have peas in 2 or 3 weeks, and hopefully lots of them. And then in the center we have skirret growing. That's skirret. These big leaves here are from skirret. There's quite a few of them all the way around the inside. And that's going to be our late fall or maybe early next spring crop to harvest. More than likely I'm going to take all that out in the fall and eat them. I've got other places where they're spring loaded, but who knows what I'll do. We'll see how much food I have. So that's a pretty good scenario right here. And back here we have rodents like chipmunks trying to eat all this stuff, so this fencing has definitely helped to keep those at bay. Because last year I planted back here without any fencing and all the crops got ate. So good news.